In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages on Wix. If you want to make your website easier to navigate, linking one page to another is one of the most useful things you can do. This is especially helpful if you want a button, a piece of text, or another clickable element to take visitors directly to a different page on your site. The good news is that Wix makes this process very simple once you know where to click. To get started, open your Wix editor and go to the page where the element is located. The first thing you need to do is select an element that you want people to click. This could be something like a text box, a button, or any other supported item that can hold a link. When you click on that element, you'll usually see a row of options appear above it or nearby in the editing toolbar. From that row of options, click on Link. This is the setting that allows you to control where that element sends your visitors when they click it. Once the link window opens, you'll be given different link types to choose from. Since the goal here is to connect one page of your Wix site to another page on the same site, set the link type to Page. After choosing Page, you'll see a list or drop-down menu showing the available pages on your website. From there, simply select the page you want this element to link to. Make sure you choose the correct destination so your visitors end up exactly where you want them to go. This is a good moment to double-check the page name, especially if you have several pages with similar titles. Once you've selected the page, the link is essentially set up. At that point, you're done. Your chosen element is now connected to the page you selected. As a quick tip, after setting the link, it's always a good idea to preview your site and test the element yourself. That way you can confirm the link works properly before publishing or updating your site live. It's a small step, but it can help you catch mistakes early and make sure your visitors have a smooth experience. That's all it takes to link pages on Wix. It's a fast and simple way to improve your site's navigation and help users move around your content more easily.